Hey friends, today we will see the physical chemistry syllabus of M.Sc Chemistry first year semester first. Unit I Quantum Chemistry A. The basic principles of quantum mechanics. The uncertainty principle, wave mechanics, functions and operators, the general formulation of quantum mechanics, i.e. postulates, expansion theorems, eigenfunctions of commuting operators. Hamiltonian operator. B. The quantum mechanics of some simple systems, the free particle, the particle in a box, quantum mechanical tunneling, the harmonic oscillator and rigid rotor. The hydrogen atom, hydrogen-like atoms, shape of atomic orbitals. Unit 2 Quantum Chemistry A. Approximate methods of quantum mechanics. The variation theorem, linear variation principle. Perturbation theory up to second order in energy. Application of variation and perturbation theory to the helium and helium-like atoms. B. Angular momenta. Ordinary angular momentum. Generalized angular momentum, eigenfunctions, and eigenvalues of angular momentum operator, ladder operator, addition of angular momenta. Spin, antisymmetry, Pauli exclusion principle. Slater determinantal wave functions. Unit 3 Surface chemistry A. Adsorption, Freundlich adsorption isotherm, Langmuir adsorption isotherm, Gibbs adsorption isotherm. Estimation of surface area, Bett equation, surface films on liquids, and catalytic activity at surfaces. B. Micelles, micellization, hydrophobic interaction, critical micellar concentration, CMC. Factors affecting the CMC of surfactants, counter-ion binding to micelles, thermodynamics of micellization phase separation and mass models, solubilization, microemulsion, reverse micelles. Numericals. Unit IV Thermodynamics and Electrochemistry A. The first and second law of thermodynamics. Theodori's principle and its equivalence to the Calvin-Planck and Clausius statement of the second law of thermodynamics, extensive and intensive properties. Derivation of thermodynamic equations of state, Maxwell's relations, third law of thermodynamics, Nernst-Heath theorem, unattainability of absolute zero. Calculation of entropy based on third law of thermodynamics, residual entropy and its application. B. Ideal and non-ideal systems, partial molar properties, partial molar free energy, chemical potential, partial molar volume and partial molar heat content and their significances. Determination of these quantities. Concept of fugacity, determination of fugacity. Excess functions for non-ideal solutions. Entropy of mixing, enthalpy of mixing, activity and activity coefficients. Concept of ion atmosphere and electrophoretic effect. Debye-Huckel theory for activity coefficients of electrolytic solutions. Determination of activity and activity coefficients. Ionic strength and dependence of activity coefficients on ionic strength. Numerical. Thanks. धन्यवाद.